Noun. Noun is a word that names a person, place, animal and thing. Noun can represent a person. Example: girl, boy, mother, father, chef, farmer, doctor, student. Noun can also name a place: school, store, restaurant, hospital, bakery, beach. Nouns can also be naming word for animals: tiger, rabbit, deer. Let's see more examples. Owl, kangaroo, lion. Noun also represent thing. Let's see some examples. Hat, cake, ball. Underline the nouns. Sam has a cat. Sam is a noun. It refers to name of a person. Cat is also a noun. It refers to an animal. I live in London. London is a noun. It is the name of a city. It is a place. She is a student. Student is the noun in this sentence. The sun is up in the sky. Sun and sky are the nouns in this sentence. They are things. Honey is sweet. Honey is the noun in this sentence. Circle the nouns: slow, run, hen, park, teacher, bird. She, Tom, hen, park, teacher, bird, Tom. These are the nouns. Identify category of noun. Horse. Animal is the right answer. Flower. Thing is the right answer. Restaurant. Place is the right answer. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word that refers to person, place, thing or animal.